Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to limit access to the Safari browser for our children or any else. Maybe you get obscene live sites of or casinos and you want to restrict them. How do you do that? To do this, go into our iPhone settings. Now go a little lower and press the item screen time. Turn on this function. Click here. Wait a couple of seconds. Now we need to select the item, content and privacy restrictions. Click here. Now here we turn on a checkbox and here we look for a special item. Click here content restrictions. Click here and then go down here. And then we click on website content. And that's where we choose the restrictions that we want. And then we click on this one. And now when we search for something obscene in our browser, it won't show up. Also here you can add any site that you want to block. This is such a simple way and great way to do it. This was the Apple Fruit channel. Like it and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.